So the next part of our ritual is going to be neck, throat, and lymphatic drainage. So for that, we use our blue Chalcedony crystals. You'll have 6 in your kit, and we'll use them for therapy, but then we will also do placement with those. And to start, we'll use a light amount of oil to gently lubricate the area. But we are going to do stone placement, so we don't want to use too much oil because we don't want them to slide around. So we're going to just gently lubricate the whole neck and shoulder area with just gentle gliding strokes. So as we likely know, there's just a ton of lymphatic vessels and nodes that start right underneath the sides of the necks, under the jaw, down through the front of the neck and throat, and then of course right up above the, in this case, the breast tissue, and then under the armpits. So when the lymphatic system is congested, people can have either fluid retention or tenderness in those areas. Some might be even prone to sore throats or nodules, things of that nature. So this is just a really beautiful ritual to open those up and offer that therapy. So we did some just gentle massage in that area to open it up. We'll use our larger stones for the master lymph channels, which are right over here. And then, of course, right under thymus gland, we'll using the long stone. I like that one there. And then for these stones, we're going to use them for some gentle therapy. And the lymph, when we drain, it's in a downward flow. So we're just using a just gentle amount. This is not a neck massage. We started out with that therapy. But we're just doing, moving in the direction that the lymph would drain. We have lymphatic vessels even in the brain that a lot of times if people don't get enough sleep, they don't drain. So this is a nice relaxing way to induce that process and clear and decongest those tissues. So we're just going to use a little bit of pressure here right on the superior border of the clavicles. And again, not a ton of pressure, a little more firm than we did on the neck. And then we can come back up here and just gentle swipes down. Feels really super relaxing. And then for the placement of these, we can place them right over on each side of the neck, and then even one right in the center there. And let those really sit and let them draw in the energy. Have your client take a few deep breaths and really enjoy the therapy of these stones.